In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a discount on Shopify. This is a great way to attract more customers to your store and encourage purchases with promotional offers. Whether you're offering a percentage off, free shipping, or a specific dollar discount, this guide will walk you through the process step by step so you can start boosting your sales. First, what we want to do is head over to the Shopify admin dashboard. If you're not already logged in, make sure you have your account details handy and get signed in. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page of your store. From this main dashboard, you can access all the tools and features Shopify offers to help manage your store efficiently. Next up, we need to navigate to the Discounts section. To do this, simply look at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. You should see an option labeled Discounts. Click on this option to proceed. This takes you to the Discounts page where you can manage any existing discounts you've set up, or, as we'll do today, create a new one. When you're on this page, you'll notice buttons and sections that help catalog all the discounts you've offered in the past, giving you a history to refer back to if needed. For today's task, we're interested in creating a new discount. There's a button for this right on the Discounts page labeled Create Discount. Click on that button, and you'll be guided to the Setup page where you can configure everything about your new discount offer. Once you're on the Setup page, you'll see several options to customize your discount code. You can choose a discount code, decide the type, like percentage, fixed amount, or free shipping. Select the items it applies to, set minimum requirements, and decide on the usage limits. Take your time exploring these options to tailor the discount to fit your store's specific goals and customer needs. Notably, it's essential to choose a discount code that's easy for your customers to remember and enter, but also unique enough to avoid misuse or confusion. After you've configured the discount to your liking, make sure to double-check all the details. It's easy to overlook something like an expiration date or a usage limit, which might affect how well your promotion performs. Once satisfied with your setup, you simply save the discount, and it will be active on your Shopify store. There you have it, a straightforward yet powerful way to start offering discounts on your Shopify store. Remember, discounts are a strategic tool to stimulate customer interest and drive more sales, so keep track of which discounts work best for your audience. Stay tuned for more tips on growing your online business with Shopify.